不是该的可离了为了。
जाओ जाओ कमजोर मत जाओ
So everyone has authority. Everybody go to your and go the verify the border floods at Myanmar border. You go to Myanmar border.
Problem in our village.
Who is creating problem? I am creating or you are creating?
Problem.
What problem I will be creating? Can you explain? Which
You
problem?
know this situation, this time.
Situation is completely fine. Tell me, what is the situation?
The situation is not good. That's why we are asking to go back.
You know situation more than us. We are controlling situation everywhere. And if you want, go verify the You want to verify the BPs?
We don't need you people.
You want to verify the BPs? Go, everybody verify the BP and Myanmar border.
This time, in this situation, no other village.
I will not do my job.
You people.
I should not do my job.
You people are illegal.
I am illegal.
Yes, go,
I am
go,
illegal.
go back.
You are illegal.
Go back.
I am illegal.
No need to arguing. No need arguing. Go back. Go back. Go back. No need arguing. No